Hey there! Let me start by asking, have you ever had a moment where you thought you explained something really well, but the other person still didn't get it? I've been there too, countless times actually. Whether it's a conversation with a loved one or an email to a colleague, miscommunication can lead to frustration, misunderstandings, and wasted time. But I've learned something powerful over the years. Being clear and concise is absolutely key to effective communication. Today, I want to share why this is so important and how we can all get better at it. 1. Explore. Let's explore how communication plays out in real-life scenarios. Imagine you're trying to coordinate with someone on a deadline. If you say, "Let's aim to get it done soon," the lack of specifics leaves room for misinterpretation. On the other hand, saying, "Let's finalize this by Friday at noon," sets a clear and actionable expectation. That's why clarity matters. 2. Why clarity and conciseness matter. Here's the thing, clear and concise communication isn't just about making your life easier. It's about respecting other people's time and attention. Think about it. We're all busy. When you get to the point quickly, you show that you value the other person's time. And when your message is easy to understand, it's far more likely to create impact. Here's a quick example. Imagine you're organizing a meeting. You could say, "Maybe we should think about possibly doing this next week." Or you could say, "Let's schedule this for next Tuesday at 3 p.m. Which one feels easier to act on? The second one, right? Clarity removes the guesswork. 3. Practical tips for being clear and concise. So how can we get better at this? Here are a few tips. 1. Know your key message. Before you speak or write, ask yourself, what's the main point I need to convey? 2. Use simple language. Avoid technical terms or overly complex words unless absolutely necessary. 3. Be specific. Replace vague phrases like soon or sometime with concrete details. 4. Ask for feedback. After you share your message, check in. Does that make sense? This helps you spot gaps in understanding. It's not about being perfect, it's about making an effort. And trust me, people will notice. So, the next time you're about to share an idea, remember, clear and concise is key. You'll save time, build trust, and make a bigger impact. And hey, if this message resonated with you, share it with someone who might need the reminder too. Let's all get a little better at communicating, one conversation at a time.